Hello and welcome to your meditation for shifting realities. This meditation is designed to help you quantum jump to your ideal reality while you sleep. So go ahead and find a comfortable position now. Close your eyes and turn your attention inward. Settle into your body now, calling all parts of yourself back into center. Let's take a few breaths to reset ourselves. Inhale and sigh it out. Once more, a little softer this time. And last time, a little softer. Now let your focus come back into center. Call all parts of yourself back to the core. Like sand settles at the bottom of an hourglass, you are now settling back into yourself. And without any effort and all by itself, your body is starting to relax. The muscles around your neck and head are relaxing and letting go. The muscles in your face and jaw are relaxing and letting go. You are relaxing deeper and deeper. Your shoulders and arms are relaxing and letting go. Your back and spine are relaxing and letting go. All by itself, your body is relaxing deeper and deeper. Your hips and legs are relaxing and letting go. Your ankles and feet are relaxing and letting go. You are totally relaxed. Totally comfortable in every way. Totally relaxed and safe. All tension has slipped away, and all you can feel is the slow rise and fall of your breathing. You now find yourself at the top of a staircase in the clouds. You're going to make your way down, and at the bottom, you will be in the reality of your desire. Let's start walking down now, one step at a time. Each step getting closer to our ideal reality. Everything is going to be much better there, much more to your liking. We'll take one step at a time, getting closer to our perfect reality. Right now, it's still underneath the clouds, but slowly it's becoming clear. You're descending, one step at a time. Your feet are now touching the ground. The fog is beginning to clear. You can see yourself at a short distance, living your ideal reality. What is it like? What do you notice? Let the scene unfold. See yourself. See yourself enjoying your new reality. Now begin to move closer. You're getting closer and closer to yourself. Now merge. Step into yourself. Merge with the you who is enjoying your ideal reality. You are inside the body of yourself in your new state. Now you can experience the scene from within your new self. What do you see through your eyes? How do you feel as your new self? Let the feelings surround you. Let yourself feel all the relief and joy of being in your new reality. You can go ahead and drift off to sleep now. You will fall asleep enjoying this scene, and when you awaken tomorrow, you will find your current reality is closer to your desired reality than ever before. You will find things have shifted for the better. You will find things are different. You are different. When you awaken tomorrow, you will find that life is better. Things are easier. You are happier. Life is good.